Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. At 7:51 p.m. at the National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wayne County, northern Sampson County, southeastern Harnett County, northeastern Cumberland County, Wilson County, eastern Johnston County, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Wilson to 7 miles northwest of Fremont to 6 miles southwest of Smithfield, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Goldsboro, Smithfield, Wilson, Dunn, Mount Olive, Benson, Elm City, Fremont, Walnut Creek, and Godwin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Cumberland, Harnett, Johnston, Sampson, Wayne, and Wilson. At 7:51 p.m. at the Raleigh-Durham Airport, the temperature was 74 degrees and